Have you ever waited for the perfect reason to start saving? Maybe it was a car, a vacation, or a rainy day emergency. And somehow, that perfect reason never came. Here's the truth. You don't need a reason to save. Saving isn't about what's happening now. It's about preparing for the life you want and giving yourself options. Today, I'm going to show you why starting now, even in small amounts, is more powerful than waiting for the perfect reason.
Meet Ali. He kept telling himself, I'll save when I have a bonus or I'll save when I get a raise. Years went by and he still hadn't saved much. Then he made a small change. He started saving $20 a week, no reason, just because he decided to. Fast forward 3 years, Ali had a small emergency fund, some money invested, and more freedom than most of his friends who were earning more, but spending everything. The lesson? Waiting for a reason is the reason most people fail at saving. Starting is what actually matters.
Think of your savings as a freedom fund. Not just an emergency stash, but a cushion that buys you freedom of choice. Hate your job? Your savings buy you the courage to walk away. See a great opportunity? Your savings let you say yes immediately. Life throws you a curveball? Your savings protect you from panic. Money saved doesn't just sit there. It buys peace of mind and future flexibility. People without savings live in constant fear of what if. People with savings live with confidence. Compounding, the quiet multiplier. Here's what most people miss. Saving isn't only about the money itself. It's about time. When you save and invest early, your money compounds. $1,000 today isn't just $1,000. Invested wisely, it can turn into $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 over time. Every month you delay, you lose potential years of compounding. That's why starting small today is infinitely better than waiting for the perfect time. Real wealth is rarely built by sudden windfalls. It's built by small, consistent savings that quietly multiply in the background. Saving isn't just financial, it's psychological. When you save, you're sending yourself a message. My future matters. I respect myself enough to prepare. People who never save are stuck in short-term thinking, always chasing the next paycheck, always stressed. But when you save, even a little, you're building discipline, confidence, and control over your life. It's not about the amount, it's about the identity. Savers see themselves as builders, and over time, builders always create stronger lives than spenders. Saving equals buying back your time. Here's a perspective most people miss. Every dollar you save is a piece of your future time. Think about it. When you have savings, you can take a week off without worrying. You can reject projects, jobs, or clients that drain you. You can slow down when life demands it. Without savings, you're forced to trade every hour of your life just to survive. That's not freedom, that's survival. When you save consistently, you're not just stacking money, you're literally buying back your future hours. That's why the earlier you start, the more time freedom you create later. Most people think of saving as just an emergency cushion, but it's more than that. Your savings are seed capital, the quiet fund that lets you say yes when opportunity knocks. Want to start a business? Savings equals startup capital. Want to invest in real estate or stocks when prices drop? Savings equals buying power. Want to move cities, travel, or take a new job? Savings equals flexibility. Here's the truth. Opportunities rarely wait for you to get ready.
They appear suddenly, and only those with savings are able to grab them. That's why saving isn't boring. It's the most exciting thing you can do. It keeps you ready for the future you don't even see yet. Here's something people don't talk about enough. Saving money doesn't just build wealth, it builds confidence. When you have no savings, every decision feels heavy. You hesitate, you second guess, and you live in constant stress. But when you have even a small cushion, your mindset shifts. You negotiate harder at work because you're not desperate. You walk away from toxic situations because you know you'll be okay. You think long-term because you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. This is the hidden power of saving. It changes the way you show up in life. You become calmer, stronger, and more confident in every choice you make. That's why saving is not just a financial act. It's an act of self-belief.
Here's the mindset shift. Saving isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom and choice. You don't need a reason like a vacation, car, or house. Every dollar saved is a step toward security, flexibility, and opportunity. The magic of saving comes from time and consistency, not motivation or circumstances. Start small, start now, and the effects compound over years, sometimes in ways you never even expected. Practical steps. Step 1, start small, start now. Even $5 to $10 a day adds up. The habit is more important than the amount. Step 2, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a separate account. Out of sight, out of mind. Money grows while you live. Step 3, don't wait for motivation. Most people start saving only when motivated. Motivation fades, habits last. Step 4, have no reason, any reason, or many reasons. You might save for an emergency, travel, investment, or nothing at all. The point is consistency, not justification. Step 5, track your progress and celebrate milestones. Seeing growth reinforces the habit. Even small wins matter. They build confidence and momentum.
Some of the wealthiest people started with tiny amounts, sometimes just coins, sometimes pocket change. They didn't wait for the perfect reason. They saved consistently. The lesson is, it's not how much you start with, it's that you start at all. Every dollar saved today is freedom tomorrow. So today's challenge is simple. Pick a number, even a small one, and start saving immediately. No reason needed. Automate it. Don't overthink it. Watch it grow. Remember, saving isn't a restriction. It's your tool for choice, opportunity, and freedom. The sooner you start, the sooner your future self will thank you.